East China's Jiangsu province has been sending medical workers to northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region over the past years. Thanks to their continuous efforts, medical services in areas that received medical aid have been largely improved. The medical staff who come from afar are welcomed by local residents.
这3年来呢，袁江医生对我这个病情比较了解，对我这个病情呢也开了很多中药，我吃了以后呢，病情有好转，所以我非常感谢。
Advanced medical technologies have also been adopted by the medical team, who set up a digital team to help Xinjiang, which means medical services can be available online at all times.
互联网医院这个概念呢，这种诊疗方式就是他们作为援疆的一个项目，从内地引进到我们这个本地，这个理念很重要。互联网医院的这个就医的方式，对我们医生和患者都非常便利。
这样呢，就不单单是我们几个援疆医生在援疆了，那整个大后方都在一起援疆，把很多的优质的医疗资源啊、管理理念啊、我们的先进的这个治疗手段、诊治手段啊，同我们当地啊进行一个整合。